If you want to automate your workflow and save time, this video is going to show you how to integrate Asana tasks with Zapier in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want new tasks, updates, or activity in Asana to trigger actions automatically in other apps, so you can work faster without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Zapier in your browser and get to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is where you start building a new automation, or Zap. After clicking Create, choose Zap Workflows so Zapier knows you want to build a new automated workflow from scratch. Now, you'll set up your trigger. Click on Trigger because every Zap starts with an event that kicks everything off. In the app search bar, type Asana and select it from the results. Asana is going to be the app that starts your automation. Next, Zapier will ask you to choose a trigger event. You can pick the event that matches what you want to automate, depending on your workflow. Then connect your Asana account by logging in and giving Zapier permission to access it. Once your account is connected, you're ready to continue. After the trigger is set up, move on to the action step. Click on Action because this is the part of the Zap that tells Zapier what to do after the Asana event happens. Now search for the app you want to connect with Asana. For example, you can choose Google Sheets if you want to send task information into a spreadsheet. Select the app, then choose an action event that fits your goal. Just like before, log into the account for that app so Zapier can connect everything properly. Once both sides are connected, Zapier will ask you to finish the setup. Click Build It at the top so you can review the workflow and make sure everything looks correct. This is the perfect time to check that your Asana trigger and your action app are matched the way you want them. If everything looks good, go ahead and run a test. Click Test Run so Zapier can confirm that the automation works correctly and that data is moving the way you expect. If the test is successful, the final step is to click Publish. This turns your draft automation into a live Zap, so your Asana tasks can now trigger the connected action automatically. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Asana tasks with Zapier. Now you can build all kinds of useful automations like sending task updates to another app, tracking tasks in spreadsheets, or connecting Asana to tools your team already uses every day. The best part is that once this is set up, it works in the background and saves you a ton of time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.